We obsess over diet and exercise, tracking every calorie, counting every step, and pushing ourselves to hit new personal bests. We fill our grocery carts with colorful produce, sign up for fitness classes, and read endless articles about the latest superfoods and workout trends. But there's a third pillar of health we often ignore: sleep. It's the foundation that supports everything else, yet it's the one we're most likely to sacrifice when life gets busy. For years, sleep has been treated as optional, a casualty of busy schedules, late-night scrolling, and the pressure to always be productive. We convince ourselves that we can get by on just a few hours, that we'll catch up on weekends, or that sleep is something we can simply power through. But science is clear: sleep is a biological necessity, not a luxury. It's as vital as food and water, and without it, our bodies and minds simply can't function at their best. Without enough quality sleep, even the best diet and exercise routines fall apart. You might eat all the right foods and hit the gym every day, but if you're not sleeping well, your efforts won't pay off the way you hope. Think of your body like a smartphone. After a day of use, it needs to recharge. Sleep is your nightly recharge, the time when your body and mind power down so they can power up again for the next day. During sleep, your brain organizes memories, your tissues repair, and your hormones rebalance. It's when your immune system strengthens, your muscles recover, and your mind processes the events of the day. Skimping on sleep is like running your phone on 10% battery. Eventually, things break down. You might get by for a while, but sooner or later you'll hit a wall. Poor sleep affects everything. You're groggy, irritable, and unfocused. Your mood dips, your patience wears thin, and even simple tasks feel overwhelming. Chronic sleep deprivation is linked to heart disease, diabetes, obesity, and a weakened immune system. It increases your risk for high blood pressure, stroke, and even certain cancers. It also impairs learning, problem-solving, and emotional regulation. When you're sleep deprived, it's harder to concentrate, remember information, or manage stress. A good night's sleep is powerful preventative medicine. It boosts your mood, sharpens your mind, and helps your body heal and grow stronger. As we approach a new year, it's time to rethink our relationship with sleep. Instead of treating it as an afterthought, let's make it a priority, right alongside nutrition and exercise. Sleep isn't wasted time, it's essential rejuvenation. It's the reset button your body and mind need to function at their best. Prioritizing sleep isn't laziness, it's smart self-care. It's an investment in your health, your happiness, and your future. Understanding your body's need for sleep is the key to unlocking your best self. When you honor your need for rest, you show up as your most energetic, focused, and resilient self. In the next sections, we'll dive into deep sleep, the most restorative phase, and share practical, science-backed strategies to get more of it. You'll learn how to create a sleep-friendly environment, build healthy routines, and overcome common obstacles to restful nights. It's time to reclaim your nights and with them, your health. Imagine waking up each morning feeling truly refreshed, ready to take on whatever the day brings. Let's stop glorifying exhaustion and start celebrating rest. Let's make sleep something we're proud of, not something we apologize for. Sleep is the foundation of physical health, mental clarity, and emotional well-being. It's the secret ingredient that helps you thrive in every area of life. From your relationships to your career to your personal growth, make it your secret weapon for a better life. When you prioritize sleep, you unlock more energy, creativity, and joy than you ever thought possible. Ready to transform your nights? Let's begin. Deep sleep awaits. Your journey starts now. Embrace the power of rest and watch your life change for the better. Sleep isn't just about the number of hours you spend in bed, it's about the quality of those hours. Many people think that simply lying down and closing your eyes is enough, but the real magic happens when you reach the deeper stages of sleep. Deep sleep, also known as slow-wave sleep, is when your brain and body perform their most essential maintenance. This is the stage where you're truly recharging, both mentally and physically. Imagine your brain as a bustling city that never really shuts down, even at night. All day long, it's busy processing information, making decisions, and keeping you going. But when you enter deep sleep, it's like the city's dedicated cleanup crew comes out. They sweep through the streets, clearing away the waste and toxins that have built up during the day, making sure everything is fresh for the next morning. This process is managed by the glymphatic system, a network that acts like a nightly janitor for your brain. It flushes out harmful proteins and metabolic waste, which, if left unchecked, could increase your risk of neurological problems like Alzheimer's disease. Deep sleep is also the time when your body gets to work repairing tissues, healing muscles, and restoring energy levels that you've used up during the day. During this stage, your body releases growth hormone, which is crucial for recovery, cell repair, and overall health. This is why athletes and fitness enthusiasts prioritize good sleep as part of their training. They know that real recovery and muscle growth don't happen in the gym, they happen while you're sleeping deeply at night. But that's not all. While you sleep, your brain is also hard at work consolidating memories, organizing and moving information from short-term to long-term storage. This is how you retain what you've learned and experienced. That's why pulling an all-nighter before a big test or presentation rarely works. Without enough deep sleep, your brain can't properly store new knowledge, and you're more likely to forget important details. Deep sleep acts as your body's ultimate reset button, helping you wake up feeling refreshed, clear-headed, and ready to take on the day. So, make deep sleep a priority. By protecting your sleep, you're not just resting, you're investing in the long-term health of your mind and body. Your body runs on a 24-hour clock, your circadian rhythm. The best way to set this clock? Morning sunlight. Just 10-15 minutes of sunlight within an hour of waking tells your brain it's time to be alert and sets a timer for sleepiness later. Dim mornings confuse your clock, making it harder to feel awake or sleepy at the right times. At night, do the opposite: dim lights and avoid screens to signal it's time to wind down. Blue light from devices tricks your brain into thinking it's still daytime. Swap screens for warm lamps and books before bed. Anchor your rhythm with light, and your sleep will follow. Simple, free, and powerful. Think of your brain as a pilot preparing for a smooth landing at the end of a long day. Just as a plane needs a careful descent, your mind and body need a gentle wind-down routine before sleep. This transition is essential for signaling to your system that it's time to shift gears and prepare for rest. Establishing a consistent bedtime ritual is like setting a daily anchor for your body and mind. Simple actions, like brushing your teeth, changing into comfortable pajamas, and setting your alarm, send powerful cues that the day is ending and it's time to relax. Choose calming activities that help you unwind. A warm shower can soothe tense muscles, while gentle stretching or a few minutes of yoga can release physical stress and prepare your body for sleep. Reading a physical book under soft, dim lighting is another great way to ease into the night. Pair it with a cup of herbal tea to further calm your senses and create a cozy, restful atmosphere. It's important to avoid screens in the hour before bed. The blue light from phones, tablets, and laptops can stimulate your brain, making it harder to wind down and disrupting your body's natural melatonin production, which is crucial for sleep. Instead, try listening to calming music, soothing nature sounds, or a guided meditation. These gentle audio cues can help slow your thoughts, relax your body, and ease you into a peaceful state of mind. If you find your mind racing with thoughts or worries, take a few minutes to jot them down in a journal. Writing out your thoughts can help clear your head and prevent anxious thinking from keeping you awake. This simple brain dump technique allows you to let go of concerns until morning, freeing your mind to rest and recover overnight. The ultimate goal is to move from a state of doing to a state of simply being, creating a peaceful space where your body and mind can fully relax and drift into deep restorative sleep. Remember, your bedtime routine doesn't have to be elaborate or time-consuming. What matters most is consistency. Following the same steps each night helps train your body to expect rest at a certain time. Make this routine your nightly signal for rest, and over time, you'll find it easier to fall asleep, stay asleep, and wake up feeling refreshed. Your bedroom should be a sanctuary for sleep and intimacy, nothing else. Keep work, screens, and stress out of the room. Make it dark blackout curtains or a sleep mask block disruptive light. Mask noise with white noise or earplugs to prevent sleep interruptions. Keep it cool. Most people sleep best between 60 and 67 degree rise, 15 to 19 degree rise. Think of your bedroom as a cool, dark, quiet cave. These simple changes train your brain to associate your bed with deep rest. Protect your sleep environment, and your body will thank you. Your best sleep starts with your space. What and when you eat affects your sleep. Avoid heavy or spicy meals close to bedtime. They disrupt digestion and raise body temperature. Finish dinner 2 to 3 hours before bed. If hungry, choose a light snack like oatmeal. Finish dinner 2 to 3 hours before bed. If hungry, choose a light snack like a banana. Watch out for caffeine. It lingers in your system for hours. Cut it off by mid-afternoon. Alcohol may make you drowsy, but it fragments your sleep later in the night. Limit drinks before bed to protect deep sleep. Small changes in your evening habits can make a big difference. Eat and drink with sleep in mind. Your body will rest easier. Exercise is a powerful sleep booster if you time it right. Morning or afternoon workouts help you fall asleep faster and sleep deeper. Exercise reduces stress and builds up your body's need for restorative sleep, but intense workouts too close to bedtime can leave you wired, not tired. If you must exercise in the evening, choose gentle activities like yoga or stretching. Listen to your body. If late workouts disrupt your sleep, shift them earlier. Even a short walk after dinner can help. The right movement at the right time is your ally for deep sleep. Move smart, sleep better. Your body will thank you in the morning. The biggest barrier to sleep is often a racing mind. Calm your thoughts with simple techniques. Focus on your breath, or try a body scan meditation. Notice each part of your body, releasing tension as you go. If worries intrude, gently return your focus to your breath. If you can't sleep after 20 minutes, get up and do something relaxing in dim light. Read, stretch, or listen to soft music. Only return to bed when you feel sleepy. This teaches your brain that bed is for sleep, not stress. Practice these habits and falling asleep gets easier. Quiet your mind, and your body will follow. Sleep is a skill you can build. Better sleep isn't about perfection, it's about small, consistent changes. Start with 1 or 2 habits: morning sunlight, a wind-down routine, or a cooler bedroom. Build on your progress brick by brick. Some nights will be tough, and routines will slip. That's normal. The goal is progress, not perfection. Your body is resilient. Keep sending it the right signals. Make sleep a priority, not an afterthought. The benefits ripple into every part of your life: mood, focus, health, and relationships. Invest in your sleep, and you invest in your best self. Start tonight. Take one small step. Deep restorative sleep is within your reach.